Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Simon, and today I'm going to show you how to access and use our online library catalog. This means you can search for books when you are in class or at home. You can make a list and have some ideas of things that you would like to check out from the library, even if you are not here. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Prescott School District website, select our schools, and click on Prescott High School. And then under Quick Links, you will select Library Media Center. And the online catalog is called Surpass. So you want to click here, Surpass Online High School Library Catalog, and that takes you to the catalog. This is what the home page looks like. If you know the name of the book you're looking for or you know the author, you can go ahead and search for that right here. You can also explore. This will show you some different categories that you can search in if you don't know exactly what you're looking for. New in the library will always list the newer books that we've just ordered and have just gotten in. Popular titles, these are books that have been checked out in the last week or two. You can see what other people are reading for some ideas. And then we have a resource list. And this is where I will put lists together about different things in the library. If you are looking for a mystery book, for example, you could click this box and it will pull up a list of all of the very popular mystery books that we have in the library. It's a little bit slow to load, so I'm going to go back to the home page. And then even on the home page, there are a few ideas. Some of those lists show up right on that front page if you need ideas for the books you're looking for. I am going to go ahead and search for a book called Ember in the Ashes, which is the book Book Club is reading in September. And this is what the result page looks like. I can see that An Ember in the Ashes is in the library. It's available. The other books in the series, one of them is available. And actually there's 3 books. I think that just is showing us the second book. But if you put the author's name in, all 3 books would come up. So you can see what it looks like when you search for a book. I'm going to show you what it looks like if the book is not available. We're going to search for a book called Just After Sunset. It's a book written by Stephen King. It is a collection of short stories, and you can see that it's checked out. It's not available. It's due on October 28th, 2020. So you know we have it. It's just checked out. If we didn't have it, there would be no result. So that is a little bit about how to get to the site and how to use it. You can email me, and I can pull the books for you, and then at this point, it would be kind of nice to know how you'd like to pick them up, especially if you're an online student. And if you're interested, watch my second video on how to create an account and use it to put books on hold. Have a good day. As always, email me or stop in with any and all questions.